Hi, today we learn about addition and subtraction. This is plus, they use for addition, and this is minus, they use for subtraction. This is equal, mean result of the counting. Watch, listen and speak. Let's start. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1.